Good morning. This is Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker on Facebook, on YouTube, HeyGardenGuy.com, on our website where you can ask questions. We answer the questions. We also have a video every day. And our video that we're doing today is grass seed versus sod. And so many times there's questions and confusion in terms of, well, which is the best way to go? Is it grass seed or is it for us to put down sod like you see around me? So I'm just going to go over a few particulars in helping you make up your mind when you make that investment. Number one, grass seed, obviously, in terms of expense, is a whole lot less investment than is sod. You're going to find that if you prepare the soil and you prepare it just like you would for either seed or sod, that after you've got everything prepared, the investment in the sod compared to the grass seed is about 10 times as much. So just bear that in mind. The sod is a lot more expensive. Now, in terms of timing, the best time really to plant your grass seed is in the fall. That's when Mother Nature plants all of her grass, plants all of her plants, for the most part, and that's when we should take a lesson after Mother Nature and do the same. Now, both of them need about 6 to 8 hours of full sun a day. So there's no change in that. But also know that watering is the key essential for it to be effective and for there to be life in both the grass seed and the sod. Now, are you totally confused? Well, let me tell you this. If it's not in the fall that you're trying to put down grass seed and you need a full lawn, sod is really the way to go. And when you put down the sod, another key is after you've put it down, you've prepared the ground is open up for the sod to be accepted into the soil. You want to roll that sod to mesh the roots with the soil so there are no air pockets. So, sod versus seed, that's your choice. But I've given you a few tools to make that decision properly. This is Charlie Stocker with Hey Garden Guy. Have a great day.